Hey guys, I just got home from work and I took my dogs out, fed them and feed them, whatever. But when I got home from work, I saw this. I saw this black bag on the porch when I got home that had my name on it. Let's see what's in here. It's so awesome. Oh yeah. Yep. Yeah, boy. The the Sons of Anarchy sweater. Thanks, Dad. Thank you so much. I'm always a big fan of this. From not really from the beginning, but from the middle of 2013. Then it ended in 2014, and finally I got something for that. So this is really cool. Thank you, Dad. Thank you so much. I'm gonna wear it sometime. Thank you. This is awesome. Tight. Thanks for watching. I'm putting this on Facebook and YouTube. Click below the comments as your subscribe and your likes. The Sons of Anarchy and my command is out.